Welcome to RahulTextureArt, your one-stop destination for creativity and spirituality. A place where textures become more than art, where every layer carries a story, where colors awaken emotions, and where the creative journey becomes a moment of peace. Together, let us calm down, create, and discover the beauty that lies beyond the surface. I invite you to slow down for a few moments, to step away from the noise and enter a space where creativity and spirituality quietly meet. A space where every texture tells a story, every layer holds a memory, and every color carries an emotion. For me, textured abstract art is much more than creating a painting. It is a bridge, a beautiful bridge between creativity and spirituality. When our hands begin to create, our minds slowly become still. And when the mind becomes still, the heart begins to speak. That is the silent magic of textured art. It asks for nothing, yet it gives so much. Today we begin another beautiful journey together. A journey of textures, colors, surprises, and discovery. And before we begin, I gather a few simple tools, each one ready to create its own unique story. In textured abstract art, even the simplest tool can unlock unexpected possibilities. Some will shape, some will carve, and some will surprise. With the tools now ready, the imagination awakens, and the creative journey is ready to begin. As always, the adventure starts with texture. One of the most exciting parts of textured abstract art is layering. Layer upon layer, shape upon shape, building a surface that slowly comes alive. And honestly, this stage always feels like opening a gift, because no matter how many times I create, the final result always surprises me. Each layer changes the story. Each layer creates new possibilities. And each layer adds a little more mystery. Today, I decided to create a heavily textured abstract composition, a double-layered abstract artwork. Bold, expressive, and full of character, heavy texture has a special presence. It catches light differently. It creates shadows. It invites touch. And most importantly, it creates depth beyond what the eye can immediately see. As I continue building the surface, I begin using one of my favorite techniques, the cutting technique. There is something incredibly satisfying about carving into fresh texture. The movement feels natural, almost instinctive. Each cut creates direction, each line creates rhythm, and each mark becomes part of the painting's unique language. No two cuts are ever the same. No two patterns can ever be repeated perfectly, and that is what makes them beautiful. Imperfection becomes art, randomness becomes design, and spontaneity becomes expression. As the texture develops, a little wonder appears. A simple bottle cap. Sometimes the most ordinary objects become the most extraordinary tools. A bottle cap may seem small, but in textured art, it can create patterns that feel magical. Circles begin to emerge. Interesting impressions appear, and suddenly, a common everyday object becomes part of something creative. This is one of the joys of art, learning to see possibilities everywhere, to look beyond an object's purpose and discover its hidden potential. With the texture complete, it is time to allow the surface to dry. Drying is often overlooked, yet it is one of the most important stages. Nature teaches us patience, and textured art teaches the same lesson. Some things cannot be rushed, some transformations require time. As the artwork dries, the texture settles, the surface strengthens. Now comes one of my favorite moments, feeling the texture, not just with the hands, but with the emotions. Every ridge, every crack, every raised surface carries its own personality. Before adding color, I spend a few moments simply observing, listening, feeling, connecting, because texture speaks long before color arrives. And when we truly observe, we begin to understand what the artwork wants to become. Now the color journey begins. Today's palette feels warm, earthy, and timeless. Indian red, golden yellow, dark brown, and burnt umber. Colors inspired by nature. Colors that carry warmth, depth, and character. As they begin to touch the textured surface, the artwork slowly starts to awaken. Every raised texture catches color differently. Every shadow creates its own story. And little by little, the painting begins to reveal its personality. To create natural movement, I use a simple blotting technique, one of my favorite ways to introduce surprise into the artwork. Instead of controlling every detail, I allow the colors to interact naturally. Patterns emerge, textures respond, and unexpected beauty begins to appear. Sometimes, the most beautiful moments in art are the ones we never planned. Now it is time for the first white coat. White brings light, white brings balance, and white allows the texture to breathe. As it settles across the surface, the details become softer, the composition feels calmer, and the artwork gains a new sense of harmony. Next, I add black, not to create darkness, but to create depth. A little contrast can completely transform a painting. The highlights become brighter, the shadows become richer, and the texture becomes even more expressive. Once again, I return to the blotting technique, softening transitions, creating movement, and allowing the artwork to continue evolving naturally. Now comes a touch of metallic wonder. Bronze, a color that seems to come alive whenever light touches it. As the metallic bronze settles into the texture, the surface begins to shimmer gently, adding warmth, elegance, and a beautiful sense of richness. And finally, a refreshing touch of turquoise blue, a color that brings freshness and energy. Against the warm earth tones, the turquoise creates a beautiful contrast, like a clear sky above an ancient landscape, like calm water flowing through stone. The painting now feels balanced, warm and cool, bold and gentle, grounded and free. And with every layer completed, the artwork moves one step closer to revealing its final story.